Do we need to convince our children every now and then, or very often remind them that we love them? What if our children do not feel that love or concern that we have towards our children? Are we leaving any room for shaitan to operate? We need to think about this. What if our children do not feel that love? Shaitan starts to overpower us and he starts his operations there. I had mentioned in the last video how Prophet ﷺ used to demonstrate his love to Fatima radiallahu anha, his daughter, whenever he left or entered the house. A research says kids who have fragile or broken relationships or who do not know that they are being loved by their parents are more likely to leave Islam. So it's very important to show our compassion to our children. It is not to tell them frequently that I love you. So, what do we need to do? What steps can be followed to maintain that relationship? To see that our relationship is not fractured. Number one, hug them or kiss them. Psychology says at least children should have 8 physical touches a day so that they can have a better personality. Physical touch is naturally seen when children are being hugged or kissed. Apart from that, psychological as well as the brain development also gets enhanced. And this should continue throughout the life, not just when kids are young. Number two, discipline with affection. When you have had any stern conversations, let your child know why did you do that? What is the reason behind it? And they will surely understand it. Number three, compliment and encourage. Appraisals are something that children are craving for. Look for something that you praise them for. Whatever they do, every little thing needs to be appreciated, needs to be felt by the parent. The child feels empowered, being identified by the parent. Number four, look with a positive eye for the things they do in life. Never criticize them for silly reasons. Get them encouraged positively. May Allah make everything easy for us and bless our homes with happiness and joy.